Hello and welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Toyota Tundra SR5. This is a 5-passenger pickup sitting on 18-inch wheels dressed in a sky silver metallic paint job. And under the hood you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 engine. Some of the great exterior features you'll find on this vehicle are heated side mirrors, a soft closing tailgate, and as well as a backup camera. Taking a look inside, we have our key fob here with our lock and unlock buttons. We'll take a better look inside. You'll find your door where you have your power mirrors and power window adjustments. Some extra storage down there. You do get some all-weather mats in the front and the back. And we'll take a better look at your black fabric seating. Taking a look inside, we'll start off with the steering wheel. On the left side, you do have your volume adjustment buttons, hands-free calling. You do have a little dial switch to your vehicle's different menus and settings, as well as Toyota safety senses, lane departure, and dynamic cruise control. Taking a look at the side, you do have your trailer buttons, as well as your differential settings. And getting to our touchscreen, you do have your standard AM and FM audio, as well as your Bluetooth audio. You do have your navigation as well, and you do have a projection for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right below, you do have your climate control settings. Right under that, you do have a few little outputs to charge your phones, and you do have your heated settings for your driver and passenger. Taking a peek in the back, get those power windows, a little cubby storage on both sides of the doors. Again, those all-weather mats. If you want some more space back here, you just pull on this lever right here and your seats will fold up just like that. Opens up a lot of space. You do get an extra storage compartments here. And we'll take a last look at the black fabric seating. Taking a look inside the bed of the truck, you do have your backup camera right beside your handle. Pull on that handle and you do get your soft opening tailgate. You do get loads of space back here. And the bed liner is the same paint job as the rest of the exterior. Taking a final look at the Toyota Tundra, some of those great interior features included your heated seats, your backup camera, as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's still a lot I did not get to go over, so why don't you come out and take it out for a test drive. We're located off of 137 Ave and St. Albert Trail.